Available here at Charlie's Used Cars, this 2009 Chevrolet Tahoe LT 4-wheel drive. This Tahoe is one of a kind. Backup cam, this truck runs and drives perfect. Tires are like new. Has Rockstar wheels. This Tahoe is super clean, rust free. It is absolutely a beautiful Tahoe. OnStar has WeatherTech floor mats. Has third row. This is a one-of-a-kind Tahoe. If you want to pull up and have everybody looking, you want this Tahoe right here. Check it out, folks. Charlie's Used Cars, 336-302-5862.